What's going on, guys? So today's video is about the OBS, but I wanted to come on here and talk with y'all as well as announce the winners for the last fit giveaway. But man, last video of the year 2020, it's definitely one for the books. It's been crazy. There's been a lot of good and there's been a whole lot of bad. So I mean, I don't even know where to start. As far as YouTube goes, a huge shout out to everyone that has been on the channel, supporting it, leaving comments, like, sharing the stuff. It's been a really good year on YouTube, if I'm being honest. I've had a lot of fun. We've done a lot of cool stuff, and hopefully 21 is going to bring the same kind of energy. I hope that YouTube can continue and we really have fun in the next year. Who knows what we'll do? You know, we might pick up another truck, we might sell some, I don't even know. But either way, just another big shout out to everyone that has been supporting the channel. It's huge. I really do appreciate it. We're able to do all this cool stuff because of y'all. Got the last fit giveaway winners right here. If I butcher your name, I do apologize. So starting off with the headlights, we got Hauser_Christian 1997 Chevy C1500 two-wheel drive. Got the turn signals going to Julian_Scott_15 2006 Ford F-150 crew cab four-wheel drive. Got a set of reverse lights going to Ethan Davis 566 1994 Chevy K1500 4x4. Another set of reverse lights going to Luke Boggs 21 2002 Ford F-150 XL 4.6 four-wheel drive. Set of tag lights going to Cam_Miller 112 2009 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT four-wheel drive. Another set of tag lights going to Luke Dozman 2007 Ford F-150 5.4. Another set of tag lights going to Blake_McWaters 2010 Chevy Silverado LTZ 4x4. Another set of tag lights going to Randy_Bullock 1 2017 Chevy Silverado Z71 four-wheel drive. And the last set of tail lights going to Broski_03_ 1999 Toyota Tacoma 3.4 liter two-wheel drive. So big shout out to everyone that did enter for this giveaway. And if you're one of these people and you haven't checked your Instagram DMs, go check them. You've won. I'm gonna get y'all linked up with last fit, and then they're gonna get those lights shipped out to you, and hopefully you do enjoy them. Definitely DM me on Instagram with pictures of them. We'll share them on our story, and I think that'll be really cool. With all that being said, we're gonna go ahead and get the video started. So 2020, it's gone, dude. I'll catch y'all in 2021. What's going on, guys? So you probably saw the video where we put the 24s on Earl, and while it does look awesome, it is absolutely useless right now. I can't drive the thing anywhere. It gets like not even a quarter of a turn before it starts rubbing super bad. And the last thing I want to do is tear these freaking tires up on this metal front bumper. We actually have a couple errands we have to do in this truck specifically tomorrow, so we got to cut this thing up. I hate to say it, but we just got to chop it up. I don't really have another setup I could put on here at the moment. We could put the 22s on there, but I think since they're poked out wide, they're gonna rub just as bad. So instead of going through all that hassle only for it to rub still, we're just gonna go to cutting. So obviously right here is where we're rubbing. I don't know if we're hitting this yet, but I'm thinking just cutting this straight down until we cut the front. I can't check the back because it doesn't turn hardly any, doesn't even get close back there yet. Went to Walmart and I got some masking tape and some cutting wheels. So I'm probably gonna cut this side, and then I'll show you me cutting the other side once I figure out exactly how I want it to look. I don't want a hard angle like I did on the Duramax. I just absolutely hated that from the moment I did it. Let's get to cutting, and I'll catch up with y'all in literally a second. Voila. So did like a little rounded corner cut. Obviously it's on flash, so it's gonna look worst as possible. But just rounded on there, cut her on the bottom. That little guy, I mean, it doesn't look bad at all. Like it looks pretty good. This chip was already there. Cut the little flap as well, flap with that. So we should, I'm hoping, clear. We'll see, we'll see. It's gonna be close. We're gonna have to test it out. right, so we finished up the cutting, got everything put back together, and now the big question, does it still rub? So if we look right here, it's probably gonna be pretty close. We might have to cut some more. I'm hoping not, I'm hoping we clear. So I guess let me stick y'all right here, let's crank it up, let's turn it and see what we do. Oh, I think we cleared. I think we actually cleared. Oh, we are in business, baby. All right, let's turn it a little bit more in trickage. She's just barely scooting by, but it is. And that's all that freaking matters. Let's turn it a little bit more. All right, so it's not touching that, but that is super duper close. Let's come back over here, see how we're looking. Oh, we're totally fine. Dude, we are golden. I think we are 100% good if we just cut this back just like a half an inch, a quarter of an inch even. And then we're gonna be, oh, we're gonna be completely golden, dude. So y'all probably saw the video where we put the tent on the truck. So for one, I can't roll the windows down. And two, it's actually nice having only 20% because I can actually still see when backing up in the dark. It'd be a lot easier if I didn't have, oh, we're barely rubbing on something. Let's investigate. What are we rubbing on? Maybe this right here? It's gonna have to be. It's gonna have to be that little guy. I bet that's what it is. All right guys, so just finished up trimming the last little bit. Now we are fully turning lock to lock, 4-inch lift, 24x14, 35s. It looks so freaking good now. I just honestly, you know, striking a pose right here, turning. We had trimmed this up a little bit higher. Back's fine. Everything appears to be fine. We're gonna test it out in the morning. I'm gonna back the truck out, and then like I said, tomorrow I'm gonna come over here and pick the truck up in the morning. We gotta go to the DMV and run a couple errands as well. It'll be nice to get the truck out, drive it around, see what it's like. How does it ride? We got gladiators, we got big tires. I don't know if this thing's gonna be an absolute pig now. Is it gonna ride like garbage? Who knows? But that's what we're finding out tomorrow, so I'll catch up with y'all then. All right, boys, next morning. Just got here, we're picking up Earl. We're about to head to town, letting it warm up a little bit. Let's check out our little cuts real quick. I think they're still looking pretty clean. We should be totally good to drive now, so we're about to find out. We're cruising down the highway about 55 miles an hour right now, and it honestly is driving really, really good. It's holding gears, it's shifting good, it's accelerating just about exactly the same as it was before. So very pleasantly surprised, and honestly after today I might start driving this thing more often, or actually start driving it, because I haven't had a setup on it where I actually could drive it. We're about to test this old trim job that we did, because we're about to make this stupid sharp right turn. And yes, my freaking bulbs for the front still haven't come in, so yes sir, no rubbing at all. Let's go. All right, boys, made it to the DMV. We're about to go get this taken care of. Earl is looking good, riding good. I'm freaking stoked. And just like that, we're all done. We officially have a tag and are registered and legal and all that crap. And I don't even think I got a fine. Didn't even get a fine for being 3 months late. So that's freaking sick. So now we got to go right down there to the courthouse and get some other stuff taken care of. All right, well, we actually went to the wrong place. Not here at the courthouse. We actually got to go over there to that little guy. But good opportunity to take a picture of the truck with a popo. You know, hey, we're just out here. So be sure to follow me on Instagram to see this picture. And just like that, we are done. All our errands are done. Everything has been filed. Our truck is good and legal now. We can drive it. And ooh, it's looking good. So anyways, I guess let's go for a cruise and really get to feel how this thing's driving. Just realized I've had this thing on super view the entire time, so that's awesome. gotta let them know, you know. Oh, they don't want none, boy. Dude, that fitment is on point. All right, looks like we were able to roll our tent up without ruining it, so that's awesome. And I'm actually enjoying the little bit lighter 20%, if I'm being honest. It does have kind of a clean look where you can barely see in from the outside, and I can totally see from the inside all the way around, which is super nice. It's definitely darker in the rear, but I can see it, so I'm pretty pumped about that. All right, I'm gonna show y'all just how nicely this thing is driving, because I know there's a lot of people out there that you follow on Instagram and YouTube. Maybe not so much YouTube, but Instagram, that have these trucks bigger than this, whatever, fixed up, you know, all kind of stuff that you really like. They look awesome. You're like, wow, how do they have those setups and stuff? But in reality, they absolutely ride like garbage. And these people are not enjoying driving their trucks. They're not enjoying anything, but they make it look like they are, and then you do it, and then you hate your vehicle. So watch me drive this thing up to speed, and I'll show you that it is, with this lift, with this setup, it's actually really nice. So I can take my hand off the wheel, no big deal. Creeping over a little bit, the road's uneven. But we're not shaking, we're not doing anything weird. Like, I can take my hand off, it's not gonna immediately jump off the side of the road. We're not doing anything crazy. We're about 45 miles an hour. Pick up speeds, truck coming on us. All right, boys, well, I think that's gonna be about it for this video. Hopefully y'all did enjoy. The OBS is officially road legal. I gotta slap my tag on there, but officially road legal in my name. Should get the title here in the next 4 weeks or so. Put it off for way too long, but did not honestly suffer any consequences, thank goodness. So we're good to go. I was rocking insurance on. I had insurance on the whole time, just didn't go get it registered and put my name and stuff. So don't freak out on me in the comments. It was insured. So yeah, truck's running good, driving good. We can finally turn. I think this setup looks absolutely killer on here. The more I see it, the more I enjoy it. At first I was a little iffy because it just, I don't know, I guess it was just because I was a little bummed I wasn't able to drive the truck because it literally could not turn at all. And now we have literally full turn, lock to lock. I can drive this thing anywhere and everywhere, and I'm hyped on it, dude. It looks so freaking good. I feel like we're missing some other chrome on the side though. What are we missing? It's just, I don't know, maybe its taillights throw me off a little bit. I don't know. I don't really want to do blacked out taillights on here. I just don't, I don't think that's fitting. Maybe it would look good because we do have that black back Chevrolet piece right there. Maybe that would look good. I don't know. Honestly, I've seen some people do actual clear taillights on here. I think that'd be actually pretty sick. But yeah, dude, these trucks, they look freaking right with reps on them. The Gladiators honestly ride probably as good on here as they do on anything. They were a little rough on Larry, but that was probably due to all the spacers we have on that truck. Baby Squat, they ride pretty good, but they were a little rough. And then on here, they're pretty dang nice. But this truck, like, some people you'll see put lifts and stuff on their trucks, and they'll literally ride like garbage. This truck rides really, really good. So it's not shaking all over the place. I can literally take my hand off the steering wheel. It's a nice riding truck, and that is a big deal when you're talking about having these big wheels and tires on here. And I don't think I'm going to go up any higher with it. I know that's going to make some people sad. I just don't want to stress out the front end. I want a truck that I can actually hop in and drive. Now we've got Larry kind of maxed out, which kind of does suck. Maybe we'll take that off if I want to drive it more. I don't know. Maybe we'll just send it and hope the ball joints don't blow out. But Earl is sitting pretty right, in my opinion. Yes, we got to get the exhaust done. We got to do some stuff with that. We will, of course, do that in the future. I'm probably going to be taking a little break from YouTube. I've been grinding it out for a while. I think January I'm going to chill out and just enjoy life a little bit because it has been super stressful doing all this. So with that being said, hopefully y'all have enjoyed, and I'll catch up with y'all in the next video.